Hey everybody, it's Lynn with the Li's Family Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a very popular Chinese-American dish, Beijing Beef. This is a mouth-watering dish with crispy beef in a sweet, savory, and slightly spicy sauce. I'm going to make it by transforming budget-friendly beef into tender pieces, so you can enjoy this delicious takeout at home and save money. Besides, making it at home means you get to enjoy this fresh and crispy, so no sogginess. Let's get started. We're going to need 1 pound of beef for this recipe. I'm going to use eye of round. It is one of the most affordable cuts of beef in the United States. This is tough, so it needs to be tenderized first. I'm going to show you how I tenderize beef with baking soda and make sure it does not leave an aftertaste that will change the flavor of the dish. If you're using more tender cuts of beef such as sirloin, New York, or ribeye, you can skip this process and go straight to marinating. I'm slicing the beef in half lengthwise first, then slice across the grain. The beef strips should be bite-sized, about 2 to 3 inches wide and 1/4 inch thick. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water. Add the mixture to the beef. Massage and mix thoroughly until the liquid has been absorbed. Baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate. It makes beef tender by changing the pH level and preventing the proteins from tightening up too much during cooking. When all the liquid has been absorbed, set it aside for 30 minutes. While we wait for the beef to tenderize, let's prep the aromatics and the sauce. Mince 2 cloves of garlic, about 2 teaspoons. Mince 1 teaspoon of ginger. Cut 4 ounces of peppers into 2 to 3 inch long pieces. You can use sweet peppers such as these, or bell peppers, or spicy peppers. Cut half an onion into about the same size, then set aside for cooking. Next, let's prep the sauce. In a medium saucepan, pour all the sauce ingredients inside and bring to a boil. Cook over medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes until the sauce thickens. The sauce will be thin like this at first and slide right off the spoon. After 3 to 5 minutes, it will thicken up and coat the back of the spoon like this. Now you can turn off the heat and set it aside to cool. It's been 30 minutes. Let's finish prepping the beef. Rinse the beef under water at least twice to eliminate any excess baking soda. This step is crucial to avoid any lingering aftertaste. Unlike some recipes that has baking soda in the marinade, I prefer to rinse it off thoroughly for a cleaner taste. Squeeze excess water out of the beef. Then use paper towels to pat the beef dry. There should be no visible water at the bottom of the bowl. Next, let's marinate the beef. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 egg to the beef. Then mix thoroughly. Add 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can also use tapioca or potato starch. Mix it up really well. The beef should be evenly coated in a thin batter after thorough mixing. Next, let's fry the beef strips. Bring 4 cups of oil to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop the beef piece by piece into the oil. Cook for about 3 minutes until they're crispy and golden brown. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. When they're golden brown like this, it's time to remove them from the oil. Place the crispy beef on a rack or a paper towel-lined pan to drain excess oil. It's best to cook the beef in 2 to 3 small batches. The smell of the crispy beef is making my son hungry. Now we're ready to finish the dish. In a walkover smoking high heat, drizzle 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté the onions and peppers until they're browned and soft. This will take about 3 minutes. Add ginger and garlic and cook for about 30 seconds. Throw in the crispy beef and then add the sauce. Mix it up really well and it's ready to serve. Enjoy this dish with a little bit of white rice. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more delicious food next time.